Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm sharing two cards that I created using my new printable steampunk cards and layouts. This is the new printable here. It's got lots of sentiments, it's got lots of images that you can use for your masculine cards. It's got animals and tags, balloons, card backgrounds, and large full page backgrounds that's suitable for scrapbooking. This is the second set of cards that I've created with this printable, and I've had a lot of fun with it. My first step was to fussy cut out all of the elements that I was considering using. Now this video is not a complete step-by-step tutorial. This is just a little sneak peek of the complete tutorial, which is in the Papercraft Secrets classroom. I have a link to the Papercraft Secrets classroom down below in the video description if you would like to check that out. The Papercraft Secrets classroom is the most value for money. If you join the Papercraft Secrets classroom, you get all of my printables and all of my complete video tutorials for free. These cards are perfect for masculine cards. Sometimes it can be hard to find a masculine card. The steampunk vintage printable is perfect for your masculine cards, especially when you are looking for ideas. Masculine cards can be one of the hardest cards to create. We can't use flowers and all of our normal pretty things. We sort of start to question, is that really suitable? The steampunk vintage cards and printables set is just a great way to have a play with masculine cards and ideas. If you're interested in trying the steampunk vintage cards and layouts printable, hop on over to my website at www.papercraftsecrets.com.au. I'd love to see you there. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely crafty day.